Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at something that I thought was a really nifty find the other day at the local hardware store. I found this pocket level from Toughbuilt that is advertised as a 360-degree pocket level. Thought it looked interesting. They had it on sale, so I picked it up. Let's take a look and see what we get with this. All right, so getting this out of the package here. What we've got is a level here that fits right in the palm of my hand. I can almost completely cover it up completely here. And so we've got some magnets on the bottom, a nice channel here for pipes. And then what we've got is, you can see where there's some magnetic icons there, a screw. But then what we've got here is the ability to turn this little thumb wheel here to be able to rotate the level. And there's our index over here. So if we want 45 degrees, and that's our target relative to the bottom, we can get 45 degrees. If we want 0, 22.5, 15, or anything else, we can get it. And so what I like about this, let me rotate this all the way around the other way. If I go to 0 on this side, the other nifty thing is we can basically use this as a protractor to figure out how far out of level something is. So if it's over here, at whatever random angle, you can rotate it until you get there to see what that angle is, to see just how far out of level something is. So I thought that was kind of nifty. And it drives fairly well here. So now I've got a piece of 1/2-inch iron pipe here. Go ahead and stick this on. Let's see how sticky that is. Once I get it all the way on, I can rotate this around. And so then this is now centered on the pipe. So the line of the level is parallel to the line of the pipe. So we can see if the pipe is level or is on an incline, positive or negative, either way. So we've got some options with that. That's nice. If you come up with a 4mm Allen wrench, which is not included with this. Kind of sad that they don't include it, or they don't have some nifty way to be able to have it thread in here somehow. Is there's a hex on the side here that we can then rotate. So if we set our angle here to 0, we can then lock it down at the end, so that now our thumb wheel doesn't work. So if you need to set and hold 22.5, or you need to hold some other degree, you can set it and lock it. And now if I just back out the screw here all the way, it has no hold at all. I mean, it still holds a little bit, but it's not as locking. I wish there was like a little click or a detent at 0, and say maybe 45 would be nice. Or if there would be a way that the indent here, or there'd be an indent for this to slide into to square it up. So one of the other things looking at this I think is interesting is this silver housing around the bubble here is actually plastic instead of metal. I feel like they missed an opportunity there to have a nice aluminum casing there. So I think one of the obvious weak points here is going to be the central vial, but obviously it's protected by what I presume to be aluminum around the rest of the body here. And so for about 15 bucks, I thought this was a really interesting find, something I could put into a tool bag or carry in my pocket when I'm not carrying around a 9-inch or longer level. So if you've got one of these, got any other ideas about this, like it, love it, hate it, put in the comments down below. Would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.